unloading something. I don't know what it is. It's a bunch of letters used in dog food. Haven't started yet, but I'll show you what it looks like. Well, it smells like dog food around here. Some sort of powder that goes in there. Sampling it. So if any of you end up with the option to take a load to Owatonna, Minnesota, to Cargill, and you have a triple axle trailer, try not to bring it, because this is as close to the hole as you can get with your front hopper. You just pile it up and let it trickle in somehow, and then you gotta push it in. It says they tell the brokers not to send triple axle trailers in here, but they still do. And I know sometimes, like with our situation, it couldn't be helped, but yeah, that's how close we are. Got that hook poking out there. So just a heads up to everyone. We'll see how much fun this is gonna be. What? This is what you're doing, Mom. It smells like food out there. Not the good, yummy type of food. The yucky, dry dog food that you don't let me eat no more because it's kind of gross. Yes, it's good. She says, my mom, that's me. I get the good stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's not to do with love, I suppose. It's just she's lucky to get the option. Huh, baby. You stay. Stay. You're not getting out here in this crap. This is how this is going. Thankfully, there's not much in the front hopper, right? All right, back to work. Well, I had to come in and change. I am wore out, and now that we're on the back hopper, the guys took over with the air hose from up top and the ground. So I'm in here catching my breath and trying not to die.